Well, hi folks, welcome back to another video. It's sort of a follow-up video to me last one where I had the cheap Amazon mess burner, and what that's enabled me to do is to build this, my smallest ever 2-burner 1-person cook set. The dog's just starting to bark because my other half decided to sit down and have a break. So what is it? So inside this lovely mesh bag, which normally has a windshield in it, but it's not in it at the moment because the windshield is of no use up here, is my Alpkit Titanium 1-person cook set. This consists of a small frying pan, non-stick, that will do 2 eggs, Trangia triangle, a Trangia burner. Some of you may recognise the small, cheap, very cheap mess burner I got off Amazon. 2 pans and a small impromptu chopping board slash you can use it as an impromptu windbreak as well if you wish. So that's the whole setup. The pans are respectively 1200 millilitres and 900 millilitres. So you've got a 1200 and 900 frying pan, 1 burner. See how quickly I can set this up. Trangia triangles, I either hit them first time every time or I struggle. And you will guarantee, because this one's been recorded, I will struggle. No, she went together quite well. Oh, that one's got the winter attachment on it. So there you have it, 2 burners. You can use 2 pans at the same time. The frying pan doubles as a lid. If you wish to be frying while keeping something warm, the pans do stack inside each other, so as you can keep something warm while you're cooking what's underneath it. I must admit the large pans tend to fit better on that one, and those won't nest, so that is one drawback. But very briefly, that's the setup. 2 pans, frying pan, chopping board, 2 burners, with the addition of a small titanium windbreak that I've got. That's your entire 2-burner 1-person cook set. It's only a short video, but I hope it's been of some use to you guys out there. See you on the next one, and if you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up or subscribe, and keep on dabbling, guys and gals.